I tried both Z and VS Code, and they feel like two different philosophies. Z is built for speed, simplicity, and AI-native workflows. It's written in Rust, uses GPU-accelerated rendering, and opens files or projects almost instantly. Even large code bases feel smooth and responsive. Its built-in agentic editing means you can call an AI to refactor, analyze, or generate code directly inside the editor without a bunch of plugin setup. Real-time collaboration, shared cursors, live editing is part of the core. A plus if you pair program or work in teams. But Z's ecosystem is younger. It has far fewer extensions, fewer niche plugins, and sometimes missing features. Debugger support, some language services, extension variety, compared to VS Code. For tasks needing deep customization, e.g. special frameworks, advanced debugging, heavy plugin usage, VS Code remains more flexible. VS Code, being mature and widely used, benefits from a massive extension marketplace, strong community support, and proven stability across languages and workflows. If you care about blazing fast performance, AI-powered code editing, minimal distractions, and smooth collaboration, Z is an exciting, modern choice. If you need wide language/framework support, rich extension ecosystem, debugging tools, and maximum flexibility, VS Code is still the more practical, battle-tested option.